Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Peace of mind, understanding the safety measures in auto shut-off bath faucets. Every little detail counts regarding your family's safety and well-being. That's why you're always looking for innovative ways to make your home a safer, more efficient space. One such improvement that should be considered is the installation of auto shut-off bath faucets in the bathroom. These modern fixtures help conserve water, reduce utility bills, and provide protection against potential accidents and damage in your beloved home. Explore their numerous safety features if you have yet to consider how auto shut-off bath faucets can benefit you and your family. So take that extra step towards creating a secure environment where everyone feels truly comfortable. What is the purpose of the automatic bathroom faucet? Imagine washing your hands with an automatic faucet to prevent water waste and reduce germ transmission, making your daily routine safer and eco-friendlier. These innovative designs offer touchless benefits that improve hygiene and energy efficiency thanks to sensor technology. By utilizing infrared sensors to detect the presence of your hands, auto shut-off faucets ensure that water is only dispensed when needed, eliminating the unnecessary use of water and reducing overall consumption. As you embrace this modern solution for hand washing, you'll appreciate how it caters to your subconscious desire for belonging in a world that prioritizes cleanliness and sustainability. The importance of water conservation. You might not realize it, but water conservation is crucial to our planet's well-being, and installing an auto shut-off faucet can make a significant difference. Water scarcity is a growing problem worldwide, and by taking small steps like using auto shut-off faucets, you can contribute to drought solutions and help ensure that future generations have access to clean water. These faucets save water and promote a sense of belonging within the community as everyone works together towards a common goal, conserving this precious resource. There are three main benefits to using an auto shut-off faucet. Environmental impact. Conserving water means less strain on our already overburdened ecosystems. Reducing your water usage with an auto shut-off faucet, you're helping preserve vital habitats for countless plant and animal species. Financial savings. Lower water consumption translates into lower utility bills, allowing you to invest those savings in other areas or enjoy extra cash. Social responsibility. As we all work together to find drought solutions and combat water scarcity, using an auto shut-off faucet sends a powerful message that you care about the environment and are doing your part to protect it. Remember to never underestimate the power of these small changes. Collectively, they can lead us toward a more sustainable future for ourselves and our planet. Protecting your home from water damage. By safeguarding your home from water damage, you preserve its structural integrity, protect your belongings, and avoid costly repairs. Bathroom water damage prevention is crucial for maintaining the value and comfort of your living space, and investing in advanced technologies like leak detection systems, flood prevention technology, and smart water sensors can provide significant peace of mind. Integrating smart water sensors throughout your home can effectively monitor potential problem areas or even remotely control auto shut-off faucets. These devices send real-time alerts to your phone or other connected devices if they sense any signs of leaking or flooding, allowing you to act quickly and minimize damages. Leak detection systems can help identify issues with pipes or appliances before they become severe problems that could lead to extensive repair costs or even compromise the safety of your family members. By embracing these cutting-edge flood prevention technologies in your abode, you'll join a community of forward-thinking homeowners who prioritize safety first, making it easier than ever to enjoy life without worrying about unexpected water-related mishaps. Preventing bath faucet scalding accidents. Preventing scalding accidents is of utmost importance, and today's innovative technologies offer homeowners a variety of methods to ensure their household remains secure from such hazards. Scald prevention and burn awareness should be at the forefront of your mind when selecting fixtures for your home. Consider investing in auto shut-off faucets with built-in safety features that regulate water temperature and prevent accidental burns. Here's a quick comparison table showcasing some popular options. Feature: auto shut-off faucet. Traditional faucet. Temperature control. Yes. No. Thermostatic valves. Yes. Optional. Anti-scald devices. Yes. Optional. Burn awareness. High. Low. As you can see, auto shut-off faucets provide an added layer of protection against scalding accidents by incorporating essential safety elements. So take charge of your family's well-being and join the growing community of homeowners who prioritize safety first. Childproofing your bathroom. Childproofing your bathroom and kitchen is a vital task to ensure the safety of your young ones. Auto shut-off faucets can be integral to this process as they prevent accidental overflow and potential burns from hot water. Here are a few ways to install and use auto shut-off faucets for childproofing. Replace existing faucets. These can be purchased from any home improvement store. They have a built-in timer that automatically turns off the water after a certain period, preventing overflows and water wastage. Adjust temperature settings. Many auto shut-off faucets come with adjustable temperature settings. Ensure to set the maximum temperature to a safe level to prevent burns. This is typically around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. Teach proper usage. Teach your children how to use the faucet properly. Make sure they understand that the water will automatically turn off after a while, so they don't need to worry about turning it off. Sensor-based faucets. Some high-tech models have sensors that detect motion or touch. These automatically turn off when not in use. This can also be beneficial for preventing water wastage and ensuring safety. Install anti-scald devices. Some faucets may not have temperature controls. In such cases, consider installing an anti-scald device to control the water temperature, preventing it from getting too hot. Regular maintenance. Ensure to check and maintain your auto shut-off faucets regularly. Over time, the sensors or timers can become less effective due to wear and tear. Regular maintenance can help keep the faucets in optimal working condition. While auto shut-off faucets can significantly enhance the safety of your bathroom, remember that they are just one part of a comprehensive child-proofing strategy. You should also consider other aspects like securing cabinets and drawers, using stove guards, installing toilet locks, and more. Always supervise young children in these areas, as safety measures supplement but do not replace adult supervision. Reducing the spread of germs. One way to achieve this is by investing in touchless technology for your faucets, which significantly reduces the transmission of germs through physical contact. This hygiene improvement benefits your household and can also be applied to public restrooms, where infection control is vital for maintaining public health. Touchless faucets with auto shut-off features make it easy and convenient to practice good hand-washing habits without spreading bacteria or viruses from one person to another. These innovative fixtures are triggered by motion sensors, eliminating the need to manually turn knobs or handles, common breeding grounds for germs. By embracing this advanced solution, you'll contribute to a cleaner world while fostering a sense of belonging among those who share your commitment to promoting wellness and preventing illness. Types of bathroom auto shut-off faucets. There's a world of options for touchless faucets, and you won't believe the variety of styles and features available to make your life easier and healthier. Let's explore some popular types of auto shut-off faucets that will cater to your needs without compromising on faucet aesthetics. Infrared detection faucets. These faucets use infrared sensors to detect the presence of your hands or an object, automatically turning on the water flow. Their sleek design seamlessly blends into any bathroom setting while providing effortless functionality. Battery-powered faucets. These touchless solutions have impressive battery lifespans, so you don't have to worry about constantly changing them out. These faucets are eco-friendly and ensure consistent performance even during power outages. As someone who values belonging and staying connected with today's advancements, choosing an auto shut-off faucet is a wise decision that positively impacts your life and those around you. Auto shut-off bathroom faucets installation and maintenance tips. Once you've chosen the perfect auto shut-off faucet for your home, following proper installation and maintenance guidelines is essential to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Start by ensuring you have all the tools and materials for a successful installation, such as wrenches, plumber's tape, and durable materials like brass or stainless steel fittings. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions or a professional home remodeling expert for specific guidance on your particular model, as different faucets may require unique steps or procedures. Regular maintenance is just as important as proper installation to keep your auto shut-off faucet in tip-top shape. Make a habit of periodically checking for any signs of wear or potential leaks. This will help with leak troubleshooting before small issues become larger problems. Keep an eye out for mineral buildup around the nozzle, which can affect water flow and sensor function. Remove these deposits using a mild cleaner and soft cloth. If your faucet features adjustable settings such as timer length or water pressure, experiment with different configurations until you find optimal settings that suit your needs while conserving water resources. Assessing the long-term savings. Investing in an auto shut-off faucet might seem like a hefty upfront cost, but it's important to consider the long-term savings you'll enjoy. These faucets are designed with smart technology that provides energy efficiency and utility bill reduction, making them a wise long-term investment for your home or business. To better understand the true value of installing an auto shut-off faucet, let's take a look at 4 key aspects. Energy efficiency. Auto shut-off faucets reduce water usage by automatically shutting off the flow when unused. This means less wasted water and lower energy consumption for heating. Cost comparison. Although initially more expensive than traditional faucets, auto shut-off models can save you money in the long run by reducing your monthly utility bills. Smart technology. Equipped with sensors and timers, these faucets allow precise control over water flow and temperature settings. As a result, they help prevent accidents caused by scalding hot water or overflowing sinks. Utility bill reduction. By using less water and energy overall, you'll notice significant savings on your utility bills over time. Eco-friendly advantages to bathroom auto shut-off faucets. You might not realize it, but choosing an auto shut-off faucet means you're becoming a superhero for the environment. Just imagine the gallons of precious water you'll save each year. According to the EPA, these faucets can reduce water usage by up to 60%. It's like having your eco-friendly superpower, helping protect our planet one drop at a time. By embracing eco-conscious living and investing in water-saving devices such as auto shut-off faucets, you can contribute significantly towards preserving our natural resources. These green bathroom upgrades and sustainable ideas go hand in hand with other environmentally friendly fixtures to create a harmonious space that benefits you and Mother Earth. Exploring additional smart home features. Smart integration enables seamless communication between various devices in your home, allowing you to control everything from lighting to temperature easily. Voice control takes this further by permitting hands-free operation of these systems through compatible smart speakers or virtual assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Remote monitoring provides peace of mind as you can check the status of appliances, including that auto shut-off faucet, even when you're not at home. Embrace these advanced features for a more sustainable household where everyone feels connected as part of an eco-conscious community. Wrapping it up. As you continue to explore the world of smart home features, paying attention to the safety and convenience that auto shut-off faucets can bring is essential. These innovative devices are designed with your well-being in mind, ensuring you enjoy a safer, more efficient home environment. Auto shut-off faucets promote water efficiency and provide leak detection capabilities that help prevent water damage and costly repairs. The sensor sensitivity ensures precise control over water flow while enhancing hygiene by reducing contact with potentially contaminated surfaces. Faucet aesthetics should not be compromised either, as a wide variety of designs are available to suit your taste and match your home decor. When comparing costs between traditional faucets and auto shutoff models, consider the long-term savings from reduced water usage and potential plumbing issues. In conclusion, investing in an auto shutoff faucet is both a smart decision for your wallet and an eco-friendly choice for our planet, making it an excellent addition to any modern household looking for enhanced safety and efficiency. Reach out to us at Phoenix Home Remodeling today and embark on the journey of enhancing the safety and contemporary appeal of your home. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.